Namaste everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am so excited to guide you through another advanced topic in Java programming today. We are going to dive deep into Spring Boot Actuator, a truly powerful tool that helps you monitor and manage your Spring Boot applications in production. Even though this is an advanced topic, I will explain everything in simple, easy to understand terms. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of what Spring Boot Actuator is, how to enable it, how to use its various endpoints, and even how to create your own custom indicators. This knowledge is essential for building robust, production-ready applications. So, grab your virtual whiteboards and let us begin this exciting journey. Alright, for our first core concept, let us understand how to enable Spring Boot Actuator and look at a fundamental endpoint. To integrate Actuator into your project, you simply need to add its dependency to your build configuration. For Maven users, this means adding the Spring Boot Starter Actuator dependency to your pom.xml file. Once you add this dependency, Spring Boot automatically configures Actuator for you, exposing several endpoints. The most basic and crucial endpoint is Actuator Health. This endpoint provides a summary of your application's health, telling you whether it is up and running correctly. It checks various components like database connections, disk space, and so on. Understanding this basic setup is your first step towards effective application monitoring. Now that we know how to enable Actuator and check basic health, let us explore how to customize which endpoints are exposed and delve into metrics. By default, Spring Boot Actuator exposes only the health and info endpoints over the web for security reasons. However, for comprehensive monitoring, you often need access to more endpoints like metrics, environment beans, and loggers. To expose all available web endpoints, you can configure your application.properties file by adding management.endpoints.web.exposure.include =*. Once exposed, the Actuator metrics endpoint becomes incredibly useful. It provides detailed metrics about your application, such as Java Virtual Machine memory usage, thread counts, garbage collection statistics, and custom application-specific metrics. This data is invaluable for performance analysis and capacity planning. Building on our understanding of basic endpoints and configuration, let us create a practical example, a custom health indicator. While Actuator provides many out-of-the-box health checks, real-world applications often have unique components that need monitoring. Imagine you have a critical third-party service your application relies on. You can create a custom health indicator to check its status. This involves implementing the health indicator interface and overriding its health method. Inside this method, you will write the logic to determine the health of your specific component, returning health.up if it is healthy or health.down with details if there is an issue. This custom indicator will then be automatically included in your Actuator Health endpoint's response, giving you a holistic view of your application's well-being. As we work with such powerful tools, it is crucial to be aware of common mistakes and best practices, especially concerning security and advanced configuration. A common mistake is exposing all Actuator endpoints in production without proper security measures. Remember, Some endpoints, like env or heapdump, can reveal sensitive information. Always secure your actuator endpoints, preferably using Spring Security, to restrict access to authorized personnel only. Another tip is to leverage custom endpoints. If the built-in endpoints do not cover a specific monitoring need, you can create your own custom endpoints by implementing the Web Endpoint Extension or Controller Endpoint interfaces. This allows you to tailor actuator to your application's unique operational requirements, making your monitoring even more effective and precise. And just like that, we have reached the end of our deep dive into Spring Boot Actuator. Let us quickly recap the key takeaways from today's session. We started by understanding what Spring Boot Actuator is and why it is indispensable for production-grade applications. We learned how to easily enable it by adding a single dependency and explored essential endpoints like actuator health for application status and actuator metrics for performance data. We also covered how to customize endpoint exposure and, most importantly, how to build a custom health indicator to monitor your unique application components. Finally, we discussed the critical importance of securing your actuator endpoints and the flexibility of creating custom ones. Spring Boot Actuator is a game-changer for operational excellence. I encourage you to practice these concepts by integrating actuator into your own Spring Boot projects. Experiment with different endpoints and create your own custom indicators. Your feedback and questions are always welcome in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more advanced Java programming tutorials. Keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next video. Dhanyavad.